waste incineration, landfill, and straw burning. These traditional waste disposal methods not only occupy a lot of land, but also may produce toxic and harmful gases. As cities continue to expand, traditional waste disposal methods are no longer able to cope with the high demand for modern waste disposal. Carbonization technology provides a more environmentally friendly solution. It greatly reduces the emission of harmful gases through a high-temperature and oxygen-free environment. It converts waste into valuable byproducts that can be further utilized, thereby realizing resource recycling. Carbonization technology can also significantly reduce the volume of waste, thereby reducing land occupation. In the context of global advocacy of green, low carbon, and sustainable development, promoting the application and development of carbonization technology is the general trend.